hoping you can see, is the new push rod I've got for the Shimano 3-speed rear hub. That will replace the cut down spoke that currently lives in there. Very quick job to do. 10mm, and you can see the splines that allow you to line it up correctly on the nut, no matter where the nut is. One oily spoke. Hopefully there you can see the difference between the correct product and the rather wibbly wobbly cut down spoke. Difference in thickness, and also you can see this, the correct Shimano part is actually sprung, just to prevent you putting too much force on things. Okay, get the correct part for the correct job. That's a nice fitting there. Hopefully I'll have enough adjustment on here to get it correct, otherwise I'm having to mess about underneath. Still, here we go. Right, pop it into second. That's not far off. Sturmy archer, do it a slightly different way, as you see. Oh, rather difficult to do actually, but that pulls the change gear. Might be a problem with that actually. I should pull a little bit easier than that. There we go. So with the Shimano, when it's relaxed, the push rod is all the way out, and that's first gear. So if your cable snaps or the bell end, for want of a better description, the bell housing falls off or gets damaged, you can still pedal, you can still get uphill. With the Sturmy, it pulls back in and that takes you to third gear. So when it's relaxed, it's in top gear. Hard work to pedal up hills, but what you can do is, if you can find a bit of a nail or something, you can pull it out, stick it through one of these and hold it in either second or top gear, or sorry, second or low gear, just so you can get about and get up hills in an emergency. That's the major difference between them. Everything inside is very similar. Planetary gear, poles and ratchets.